Hi guys, it's Isabella. Thanks for watching my videos. Make sure to subscribe below and hit that like button. Thank you. Hey guys, welcome back to another Roblox Island video. Today I'm going to show you how the new ZIPLINE works. A lot of people have asked me how to use it or it doesn't work for you. Well, it's simple. Just throw the fishing rod through the U shape and just walk up off the steps like these golden ones, but walk down them very slowly. Don't throw the hook too far, otherwise then it doesn't work. And just remember, when you go down these steps, don't go down fast. Just go down as slow as you can. If the string is shaking, then don't jump off. It won't work and you'll fall off. If you fall from the zip line, just try again until it sticks. And from here you can see everything. And you're right here next to the cinema and library. You can make a zip line of your very own if you want. Just make a long line of blocks and put some more blocks on both sides. How you're going to get down is you're going to have to fall off when you get to the end. So this is the end of my zip line, guys, and I think this is the longest zip line. Now I fell off. Okay, so that's how you use my zipline, guys, and hope you enjoyed it. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye!